Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So let's begin with removing cache. We have to open the settings and here in this list find the apps. So here we've got the list of all apps which are currently saved on your device, installed on your device. And what I highly recommend to do is to go through all of those apps and try to remove cache. So let me choose maybe Google, just tap on the app, then scroll and find the storage. And as you can see here, we've got the section called cache. Basically, cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. So what I highly recommend to do is to simply tap on clear cache. Your device will immediately remove it and release some memory. So obviously do it with all of those, at least all of those apps, or at least those which you're using frequently. Moreover, what you can do to fasten your device is to open the settings. Here we have to go to device care, which is right above the apps, and here you can go to the storage or memory, for example storage, and here you've got things like duplicated files, large files, recycle bins. So I highly recommend to remove data from those sections, so you will be able to definitely release some memory and in consequence speed up your device. Especially here you can clean now the apps which are in the background, but with those which you cannot really see, so that would be a nice way to release the memory. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.